In today's workout, I'm going to demonstrate how to do a Smith machine decline bench press. So this exercise activates the lower part of the chest and also the tricep. So the first thing you need is obviously a Smith machine and also a decline bench, all right? Now the first thing that's really important is the positioning of the seat, okay? So the first thing you want to do is, let's say when we're in your local gym, you come to the Smith machine, first you want to bring in your decline bench, all right? Make sure the bench is in the middle of the barbell. You don't want it too far to the left or too far to the right in the middle. Now we're going to check the positioning of how the barbell is aligning to our chest, because we're trying to target the lower part of the chest, so we don't want the barbell too far up or too far down, all right? So you want to test this out with the barbell unloaded, because it's just going to make things a lot easier and it's going to be less of a hassle, okay? So you're going to come down, all right? Now with the decline bench, make sure the bench has one of these to hold your legs, all right? So you stay in position. I have my feet about shoulder distance apart, my hands in shoulder distance apart. I want to arch my back and keep my chest up and have an open chin, all right? Now I'm going to test it out. And as you see, while I'm coming down, I'm keeping my elbows in, but at the same time, the barbell is right here to the lower part of my chest, all right? So that means it's in a good position, all right? A little funky getting out of here, all right? So now what I'm going to do is go ahead, load up the machine. So you're going to go ahead and pick a weight of your desire, load up the machine, and then what I'm going to do is go ahead and show you how to do the exercise step by step. So now, like I said before, you're going to go ahead, come into the machine, make sure your legs is in between these little things so it keeps you stable, into the seat. Now I'm going to have my hands again shoulder distance apart. I'm going to arch my back, keep my chest up, have an open chin. I want to take my hands, rotate them outwards, because this is going to unlock the Smith machine, because this is one of the safety features that it has. So now it's unlocked. Keep the elbows in, just like that. Rotate the hands back to get the barbell locked again, and then safely come out. This is how you do a Smith machine decline bench press.